Hello student, myself Archana Santosh Tiwari, your computer and GK teacher of LPM Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar. So, I think you all are fine and safe at your home. So today I am going to explain you about the topic chapter 3, more on keyboard mouse. More on keyboard mouse. Previous video I already explained some points related to more on keyboard mouse. Today I will summarize that much point, then I will go through the next points. Okay, so listen to me carefully. First we will do the summary of the explained video, then we will forward the next topics. Clear? See here. In more on keyboard mouse, keys on a keyboard. Keys on a keyboard. In keys on a keyboard, there are various types of keys. We have various types of keys on a keyboard. See here, it's given the list here. First one is alphabet keys, number key, special key, toggle key, function keys. Okay. Then symbol key, punctuation keys, and navigation keys. I will repeat again. There are various types of keys on a keyboard. We have various types of keys on a keyboard. Some of them are here listed here. Just see here. First one is alphabet key, that is. Then number key, special key, toggle key, functions key, symbol key, punctuation keys, and navigation key. These are the various types of keys are there on a keyboard. These are the various types of keys on a keyboard. First I will explain you this one, that is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard, that is A to Z. These keys are used to type letter, words and sentence on a keyboard. On a keyboard, we have 26 alphabet keys. You know A to Z, how many alphabet letters are there in A to Z? 26. 26 alphabet letters are there in A to Z. That 26 letters A to Z are the 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. Are the 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. These keys are used to type. These keys are used for typing the letters, words, sentence, and many other etc. on the computer. You can write a paragraph, all these things with the help of alphabet keys. With the help of alphabet keys, we can type letters, words, and sentence on the monitor, on the computer. Next key come here, that is number key. That is number key. See here, number key. In alphabet keys we have A to Z alphabet keys. Like that is this number keys. In number keys we have 0 to 9 digits. We have 0 to 9 digits. Number keys includes all the digits from 0 to 9. These keys are 10 in number. These keys are used to enter numbers. In number keys we have 0 to 9 numbers, that is 10 numbers here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. See, I will write here. See here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the 10 numbers. These are the 10 numbers which we have in the number key. These 10 numbers are there in which we have on the number key. These number keys are used to type numbers. These number keys are used to type what? It is used for type the numbers. There are two sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. We have two sets of number keys on a standard keyboard. We have two sets. We have of number keys on a keyboard. One set is present right above the top row. One set is present right above the top row. See here. One side is, this is a keyboard is here, it shows here, see here. One side is just like that, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the first set. This is the first set. Clear? The first set is where it is located. See here. It is located present right above the top row of the alphabet keys. It's just right above the top row of the alphabet. Down here you will have the alphabet keys, and at the top, above top row of the right side we have this number. And the another set we have this side. And the another set that we have this side. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here. We have this side. Another set is here. We have this side. Okay. That is the second set. The other set of number key is present on the other set of number key is present on the right hand side of the keyboard. The other set of the present key is present on the right side. It is present on our right hand side of the keyboard. This is the second set. This is the second set. This is the second set, which is this group of number keys is known as numeric keyboard. This type of this keyboard group of keys is known as numeric keyboard. See, numeric keyboard. This type of group of keypad is known as numeric keyboard. It is known as numeric keyboard. In laptop, number keys are present only at one place. If you see in laptop, okay, in laptop what happened? In laptop, number keys are present only in one place. In computer, we find number keys in two places. First set is this, and second set is this side. First set is our right side of the above the alphabet keys, and second set is here our right hand side of here. This is the group of keys which is known as numeric key. Which is known as numeric keys. Okay, but in laptop, the number keys is present only at one place. In laptop, the number keys are present only in one place. That place is what? This one here, above the alphabet keys. This set, that is what first set of the number keys is present in the laptop. First set of the number keys is present in the laptop. That is above the top row of the alphabet. That is the top row of the alphabet keys. Here down alphabet keys, and in the top row we find number keys in laptop. Okay. Now come to next one, that is special keys. That is what? Special keys. See what? Next is special key. Next is special keys. In special keys we have 6 types of keys. In special keys we have 6 types of keys. What are they? See here. First is enter key, spacebar key, shift key, control key. Control key in keyboard we use CTRL. We use the spelling CTRL. Then fifth is backspace key, and the last one is that is delete key. That is delete key. These 6 keys are the types of special keys. We have 6 types of special keys. Enter key, spacebar key, shift key, control key, backspace key, and last one that is delete key. Last one that is delete. These are the 6 types of keys which we have in special keys. So first of all, I am going to explain you about the enter key. About the enter key. Pressing the enter key, move the cursor to the next line. This key is also used to send instructions and commands to the computer. Pressing the enter keys, when we press the enter key, we can easily move the cursor to the next line. When we have, suppose we have typed a sentence or anything, that line is over, then now we have to come to the down to the next line. We use enter key. We use enter key. With the help of this enter key, we can move the cursor to the next line. By pressing, when you press the enter key, automatically you will come to the next line. Okay, you will come to the next line. This key is also used to send instructions and commands to the computer. It is also used for sending the instructions and commands to the computer. Okay. Now come to the next, that is space bar key. It is used to give blank space between letters, words or numbers. It is the longest key on a keyboard. See here, space bar key is the longest key on a keyboard. We have many types of keys on a keyboard, in which space bar is the longest key. Space bar is the longest key on a keyboard, and it is used to give space. Between a particular two words. Between a particular words, letters. Okay, it is used to give a blank space between letters, words or numbers. Even we are typing a word and we want a space between two words, so we can use space bar key. With the help of space bar key, we can easily give space between the words or between the numbers. Clear to this much, all of you? Now next come to that is shift key. That is what third one is? Shift key. This key is always used in combination with other keys. These keys are always used in the combination with other keys. It appears twice a keyboard. It appears twice a keyboard. See, we have two shift keys on a keyboard. Okay, in two places we have shift keys on a keyboard. Okay, see here, it is with unknown shift key, nothing to do. It doesn't have any work to do. It always do its work with the help of other combination keys. So shift key is always used for the combination. Shift key is always used for the combination. See here, shift key is always used for the combination with other keys. Combination with other keys. The shift key is used to. This is used for what to see here. We can use the shift key for typing alphabets in capital. For typing alphabets in capital. If caps lock key is off, suppose if caps lock key is off, with the help of shift key and by pressing another alphabet letter which we want, we can type it in capital letter. Shift plus A, it means what? If we type and it shows us the capital A. It shows us the capital A. Okay, right hand, if the caps lock key is off, with the help of shift key, we use the combination keys of the particular any letter and we can easily type it on a capital letter. Clear to this much? Second, type symbols and punctuation marks printed on the upper side of some keys on a keyboard. Also we can, if we are writing any letter or any sentence or any paragraph we are doing on a computer and we want any type of punctuation marks or symbols, with the help of shift keys and that punctuation marks we can easily put it on that our particular paragraph or a sentence. Okay. Next key, that is control key. That is what? Control key. Like shift key. Control key is also used with other keys. Same as shift key, control key is also used as other keys. It is used to give command to a computer. Control key is always used to give commands to a computer. Control key is also do its work with another combination keys. With another combination key. Suppose if you want to save any file, we will put Control plus S. Okay. If we want to cut, Control plus E, Control plus X, Control plus P for paste. So with the combination key only, control key is also working just like a shift key. Okay. So both are work with the combination of another keys. With the help of combination of other. See here next is backspace key. This key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. Backspace key is used to erase anything typed to the left of the cursor. Okay, whatever we are typing on the screen, it can help us to erase that anything which if we get round, it helps us to erase anything on the left side of the cursor. And last one, that is delete key. That is what? Delete key. Delete key erases anything typed to the right of the cursor. Backspace key erases anything to the left of the cursor, and delete key erases anything to the right of the cursor. Clear? Both are doing the same job. Backspace key and delete key both are doing the same job, but backspace key erases anything to the left side of the cursor, and delete key erases anything to the right side of the cursor. So by this I completed my explanation of special keys. See here, you know, special keys we have studied about how many types key? We have studied about 6 special types of keys. That is enter key, spacebar key, shift key, control key, backspace key, and delete key. Okay. So by this I am ending the explanation of my topic. In next video we will learn about other types of keys, that is toggle key, navigation keys, and many other keys are there. We will learn in next video. So for today only this much is only enough. So please go through it and listen carefully and revise it. Thanks for listening me, and so please stay home safely and take care of yourself. Okay, then bye. See you. We will meet in the next video.